Okay, welcome back, Jeblali. In this tutorial, we're going to make our rocket and our planet move across and up through the screen. So I'm going to start with my rocket. So make sure you're tapped on your rocket. First, I want to make my rocket a little bit smaller. Okay, so to do that, we need to make it smaller when we start the game. So I'm going to tap here on the yellow blocks, and I'm going to drag and drop on the green flag block, and that will tell this code to run when I tap on the green flag up here. Okay, so what we need to do is go on the purple blocks and we're going to make it smaller. So I'm going to make it, instead of 2, I'm going to make it 8 times smaller. Okay, so now when I press the green flag, wrong one, it's not that one, it is this one. Make smaller. I've just made it bigger. So I'm going to tap on there, and there you go. So that makes my rocket smaller. I'm going to do the same for my planet. So I'll go onto my planet here, and I'm going to make my planet smaller, and I'm going to make it 8 times smaller and add my green flag block. And now when I press my green flag, both of my characters become smaller. Okay, so that you must do that or you'll have no space on your screen. Okay, next I'm going to get my rocket moving through space. Okay, so again I'm going to add another green flag, and I need the move blocks, which are the blue blocks, and I'm going to drag on my move up block because I'm going up. But now if I press the green flag, he only moves when I press the green flag. So I want him to continually move like that up the screen. Okay, to do that, I need a repeat block, and you find those in here, in the red blocks. So drag on the repeat forever. And now when I press the green flag, my rocket goes up and then up and up. Okay, I'm going to stop that. And I want it to return to the bottom. So I'm going to drag him to the bottom. And I need to do the same with my earth block or my planet block. So I'm going to tap on there. Again, I'm going to add a green flag block and a move block. This time I want to move to the right, just like that. Okay, so you can change the number. It will go a little bit faster if you change the number here. And again, I want it to go forever and ever and ever. So I need a repeat loop, and that is in the red blocks here. And we're going to put the repeat forever block. Now also I need to make sure my planet starts in the same place every time I press the green flag. So I need to go back to my blue blocks, and I want this block here. It's called go home, and that will send your character back to the same position here. So I'm going to put that inside my code for my first block here. Okay, so this block sends it back to the same place and moves the character, makes it smaller, and this block here moves my character forever, and there you go. So I'll just press my green flag, and there is my game working at the moment. My rocket's going up and my planet is going across the page. Now as you can see, nothing happens when my rocket hits the planet, and I cannot control my rocket, it just goes up. And in the next tutorial, that is exactly what we're going to do. Now I'm just going to stop that. If you want, you can add more obstacles to fly across your screen. Now just like you did for the Earth, you can use the same code blocks and use the plus sign to add another character. But I'm going to keep mine very simple with my rocket and my planet. Okay, try that and see you in the next tutorial.